Okay guys, for today's vlog, ayan, nagluluto tayo ng ulam for lunch. Ayan guys, ginataan laing, ayan. Pero wala pa yung gata, lalagyan ko pa lang later, ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa iyo guys, ayan. Ang nilawok natin ay pork saka chicken guys, ayan. Yummy! Later lalagyan na natin siya ng gata. Pero may unang gata yan kanina guys. Okay guys, ayan na ang ating ginataang laing. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman. Hininaan ko na yung apoy guys. Konting kembot na lang. Ayan, niluluto na lang natin yung gata guys. Palambot na yung baboy sa yung chicken. Wow! Yummy! Later, tiki man time! Ayan, laing for lunch. Tapos meron pa kaming isdang galunggong na maliliit guys. Magpiprito pa si Arnold. Okay guys, later tiki man time. Okay guys, ito na yung finished product natin ng ginataan laing. Tara na, tiki man tayo guys. Baboy natin. Ginayat-gayat ni Arnold. Grabe, lumambot ang malambot. Ayoko kasi ng malapsal. Rice please. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love, love, love. See you next vlog. Pinataan laing po for lunch.